Alright guys, it's about 28 degrees outside right now, and behind me is my 2006 Silverado. I forgot the GoPro mount outside during the ice storm we had, so it's hopefully the wind noise and me holding the camera doesn't make too much noise for you. But today I'm going to do a cold start. So yeah, let's see how that sounds. So that's about that. I'm gonna go back over here. The dog's inside the truck, so I'm gonna be back in the flatbed Dodge up to this little hill right here, and when David gets here, we're gonna try to, well, we'll see what happens. So during the last storm, I lost the wiper for the passenger side, so I've just kind of been roughing it with one wiper, but it's getting me by. Flatbed's been amazing, and not having the gas tank in the cab is also amazing. Really a big improvement for this truck. Obviously, I've been meaning to say this, so I'm probably going to do this now, but all of the stuff that we do it's more of temporary fixes. You really probably shouldn't be doing this on stuff you want a daily drive, or obviously, I mean, the gas tanks, you don't want to do that, and that can get you in a lot of trouble. I just take this is just a beater. It plows my driveway and my parents, and gets me to work. I work a mile away. So definitely don't do the stuff that we do as permanent fixes, and this isn't the right way to be doing things. You should have a real gas tank, and like half those lights barely work. The directional stopped working the other day, probably blew a fuse. So again, just be cautious on what you copy and what you do from our videos, and I'm gonna probably edit this into the other video of making the flatbed, just because I didn't do that previously, and you really just be cautious. Alright, so we're gonna be trying to get my Silverado climb up on top of the back of the flatbed. I was kind of curious to see how much that 6x6 could hold, and I'm sure that the truck's not too heavy. So we're gonna somehow get these boards to stay in place, a couple screws into the back of the bed, and then maybe a 2x4 across. Seemed like a good idea. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna break some stuff, because this isn't gonna work.
so far. How fast is that?
Don't turn this way at all because you'll fall off on that side. That side's bending a lot.
Is it?
Yeah.
I want to get halfway up and look.
Oh, you're turn this way. Okay. Oh. You want some force?
Yeah, yeah. That'd be why that one was tilting so much.
I need to go to the hardware store.
The other one's about to go. You might as well just break it at this point. You might need a bumper. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. Fine so far. Yeah, go that way a little. Oh, Frank's going down a lot. Yeah. You're halfway exactly.
Still good?
Yeah. Oh! Go down, go down. So, how I told you that these are gonna split, they did. Oh, those boards separated again. Yeah, you might want to back down again. Bro, you're it's still splitting. Yeah. You're like an inch away. Oh. You're pushing Frank a little. But just try it. There you go. To the left. Sorry. That way. Yeah. No. Still doing good.
Worried about that right side now.
You're so fine on that side, you don't even understand. This is the furthest you've been. You're almost on Frank. A little bit. You got like 8 inches and you'll be on Frank. Oh, you're on Frank. You're on Frank. And that 2x4 is touching. The 2x4. It's touching. The 2x4 is touching the wheels. Don't break them.